Hey everyone, welcome back to the What's Better Today Kingdom Lens meditation. I'm your host, Serena. Today we are doing a deep dive into something that sounds simple, but is, let's be real, incredibly difficult. Unity. We're working from a Kingdom Lens meditation based on Ephesians 4 verse 3, which talks about making every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit. We're going to break down what that effort actually looks like and, more importantly, what destroys it, and I'm joined as usual by Andrew.
Hey, Serena. Great to be here. And you're so right. Make every effort is the key phrase there. It's not just vibe and hope for unity. It's work. And this meditation we're looking at really doesn't pull any punches. It dives straight into the number one unity killer, gossip. It even pairs that Ephesians verse with Psalm 55, the one that says, "It wasn't an enemy who taunted me, but it was you, my intimate friend." Ouch.
Exactly. That's what makes it so toxic, right? It's rarely strangers. It's the people inside the circle. So, this meditation gives us 5 lenses to look at this topic, and the first one is called Back to Front. This is all about how the kingdom reverses worldly thinking, and the very first reversal it points out is how we see ourselves.
This is the part that convicted me. The notes say, common sense lies and says that I don't gossip. Not me. Other people, yes, but not me. And then kingdom says, oh, yes, you do. It's this immediate, confrontational mirror. It's so easy to see gossip in other people, but this framework forces you to start with yourself.
Absolutely. Now we move right into the second lens, inside out, which is all about the heart. The meditation notes say the issue is discussing someone's actions and assuming their intentions in secret is wronger than wrong. It's not just passing on information, it's the assuming their intentions part. We're appointing ourselves judge and jury over someone's motives, all behind their back.
And my own heart points out the contradiction in ourselves. It says, I despise the gossip, yet I know I have participated. That's the inside-out part. It exposes that lack of integrity in us. So, to everyone listening, that's a heavy question. When was the last time you heard a story and immediately assumed you knew the why behind someone's actions? It's almost automatic, isn't it?
It really is. And that flows perfectly into the third lens, the other way up, which says the humble are exalted and the proud are brought low. This meditation connects gossip directly to pride. It says we do it to be in with the in crowd or to feel superior. It's all about comparison and judgment.
You've hit close to home. It's a cheap way to feel better about ourselves. By whispering about someone else's failures, we're trying to elevate our own status. It's a total power move. But the kingdom other way up is about surrender and humility, refusing to play that game. We'd love to know what you think about this one. Tell us what you think in the comments. Is gossip really just a symptom of pride?
That's a great question for our listeners. This all connects to the fourth lens, invisible, which is about the hidden spiritual realities. This is where our meditation makes a crucial distinction, and I want to know what you make of this, Andrew. The text says, speaking ill of someone about their sin, even when it is true, is private. Even if it's true.
Whoa, that's the part that stops you, right? Because we justify it. But it happened. I'm just telling the truth. But this invisible lens is about the difference between judgment and discernment. The notes say God is showing me the difference between judging others and discerning what is right. Discernment is for my protection or understanding. Judgment is for someone else's condemnation.
Couldn't agree more. And that brings us to the final lens, lies exposed/truth revealed. The big lie? Gossip is harmless. Or, as our Kingdom Lens pointed us to, so long as the person doesn't know it was me gossiping, then that's okay. It's a total self-serving lie.
And the truth God offers instead? We can point to Matthew 18. If you have a problem with someone, you must go to that one privately and attempt to resolve the matter. You don't go to your other friend. You don't post vague things online. You go to them. The truth is that obedience means refusing to participate. Full stop.
And the application section is so clear. It's not just a nice thought, it's a battle plan. I will stop myself if I even sense I am judging someone else, and if you are around anyone else who gossips, inform them clearly that you do not wish to be party to gossip. How many of us, honestly, are brave enough to do that? To actually stop a conversation cold and say, I don't want to be a part of this.
That is the real challenge. So as we wrap things up, just to recap the main point, this meditation on Ephesians 4 verse 3 makes it clear that keeping the unity of the Spirit isn't this passive, floaty idea. It is active, hard, and sometimes confrontational work that starts with our own hearts and our own mouths.
Absolutely. So, to our audience, here's the final, memorable, thought-provoking takeaway. What if the next time you heard that juicy piece of info, you saw it not as a chance to be in the know, but as an invitation to actively guard the peace?
And on that note, stay curious, keep those questions coming, and hit that subscribe button.
Until next time, keep guarding that unity.